Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you're doing landscaping, then you need some powerful tools to get work done.
And wow, these garden pruning shears, lopper, and cutter combo set by Altdorff was amazing. It is so nice having these on hand to be able to trim back during the winter and cut any big, strong branches out of the way. I like how each comes with its own little sleeve with a little clip button to keep the blades protected when not in use. I personally appreciated that little extra detail. The hand cutters were so strong. I was clipping back this rose bush and so many of the branches were so thick. Just each one of these tools, you can just see how powerful. It doesn't matter how thick a branch. If you're wanting to clear a space from a tree, we had this one tree on property. It was difficult to walk under, so having the loppers just made it easy to give it a haircut. And just with ease, I could use these even with one hand to manicure or just cut back for the winter. And they store so nicely together on a shelf in our shed.
I was truly blown away by the power of each of these tools, and I definitely recommend them. But that's just my point of view.